If you're considering Aeris Communications eSIM for your international travels, there are 12 things you need to know before making the purchase. Stick around, because we'll compare it to other popular options so you know if it's the right choice for you. First off, the main advantage of Aeris Communications eSIM is convenience. You can activate your plan digitally without needing a physical SIM card, which means less hassle when you're traveling abroad. But, compared to traditional SIM cards or some other eSIM providers, Aeris may not have the widest network coverage, so you'll need to check if they support the countries you plan to visit. Next thing, let's talk about cost. Aeris Communications offers competitive pricing, but depending on your travel destination, some competitors might offer more affordable options. While Aeris provides decent plans for data and call services, it's a good idea to compare prices based on your usage needs. The third thing to consider is ease of activation. Aeris Communications is fairly easy to activate, but some other eSIM providers may have a more straightforward setup process. With Aeris, you'll need to scan a QR code and follow a few steps, but for some users, that extra effort may be a small deterrent. Moving on, let's talk about coverage. Aeris Communications has strong coverage in North America and Europe, but its global reach isn't as expansive as some competitors like Airalo or GigSky. If you're traveling to less common destinations, you may want to check if Aeris operates in those areas. The fifth thing is data speeds. Many eSIM providers claim fast internet speeds, but with Aeris, users report mixed experiences depending on their location. In popular tourist areas, speeds are generally good, but in rural or remote regions, you might notice slower connections. The sixth thing is customer support. Aeris Communications offers responsive customer service, but in terms of availability, it can sometimes take a bit longer to get a response compared to other services that have 24/7 support. This is something to keep in mind if you need immediate assistance while traveling. Next, let's talk about data limits. Aeris has some reasonable data packages, but some competitors offer more flexibility with unlimited data options or larger data allowances. If you're a heavy data user, you might find their plans a bit restrictive. Another point is multi-country coverage. While Aeris offers decent coverage for specific regions, some other eSIM providers give you access to more countries with a single plan. If you're planning to visit multiple countries in one trip, you might want to explore other options that allow you to travel without switching plans. The ninth thing is flexibility. Aeris Communications offers data for short-term use, but some other services provide more extended plans for long-term travelers. If you plan to stay in one place for an extended period, check if Aeris offers plans that suit long-term travel. The 10th thing is device compatibility. While Aeris works with most modern eSIM-enabled devices, you'll need to double-check compatibility with your specific device before purchasing. This can be an issue if your phone is not compatible with their network. Next thing to note is the plan variety. Aeris provides a range of plans for different types of usage, but if you're looking for more specific packages, other services may have more tailored options, such as business plans or plans for families traveling together. The 12th and final thing is the ease of topping up. Aeris Communications makes it easy to top up your account when needed, but some competitors offer more flexibility with automatic renewals or additional features to simplify recharging your plan while on the go. Overall, Aeris Communications eSIM is a good option for travelers looking for a convenient way to stay connected abroad. However, if you're looking for a more affordable or flexible solution with broader coverage, we recommend checking out our recommended eSIM provider, which you can try for free.